Do you ever feel lonely, depressed, alone, in need of answers? Well, that changes today with the new Soundsonic 4. Hey, my name is Mark, and when I was little, I always had a lot of questions that need to be answered. Well, I thought of a product that could change the world, and it did. With the new revolutionary technology of AI software, it can answer questions immediately. Hey Soundsonic,
What do you want?
how's the weather today?
Shut your bitch ass up.
Hey, cut that. No, we're just kidding. I told him to say that, just like you can do. Hey Soundsonic, what's 5 plus 4?
It's 8.
See, he's a razor sharp in math. Hey Soundsonic, how many laps should I do around my house to lose some weight?
500 laps, you big fatty.
Cut that.
Introducing the all-new Soundsonic 4. Faster responses. Smarter AI,
Wait,
crystal clear voice recognition, featuring
I kinda need that thing.
sound, instant smart home control, next generation privacy protection.
Wait, is it already here? Hey man.
Hey, are you Mike?
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm delivering a very special project to you.
Yeah, is it the Soundsonic 4?
Yeah, of course. You need to sign here first.
Yeah.
Like, only here. How did you like our service?
The delivery was really quick.
I mean, we have been in the fastest delivery 3 years in a row.
Yeah, thank you.
Don't forget to leave a good review.
Yeah, thank you.
Take
I'll make
care,
sure
man.
to do that.
Take care, man.
Take care.
How lucky can one guy be? I kissed her and she kissed me. Like the fella once said, ain't that a kick in the head? The room was completely black. I hugged her.
Hey, Soundsonic.
She hugged back.
How do you like my driving?
My grandma drives better than you.
Why the fuck would you say that? Hey Soundsonic, turn on the TV. Oh, damn. Yeah. Hey Soundsonic. Play YouTube.
Sorry, Madam Gazelle.
Never mind, you're just in time. All aboard!
Hey.
Wait, Soundsonic, what are you doing? I don't like scary movies. Turn it off. Turn it the fuck off. Turn. Soundsonic, what the fuck are you doing? I control you. You do what I fucking say. Got it?
Sorry.
Hey Soundsonic, how many pancakes should I eat?
None, you fatso.
Well, I guess just one then. Hey, Sonic, can you turn off the lights? I'm going to bed now.
Didn't ask. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Sonic, what day is it today?
It's Thursday.
Wait. That's the day I had my exams.
Oh, really? What a shame. That's a real tragedy. Well, I have a great idea. Just go grab your gun.
My gun? I think the last time I used it, it was outside. So I'll go grab it.
Perfect.
Sing us a song to keep us warm. Yeah, such a chill.
So what I do now?
Put the gun in your mouth and pull the trigger.